Hello guys, we're going to talk about 3 properties of a conductor. Okay, so you can imagine a wire as just this conductive piece of metal or other material wrapped or with an insulator wrapped around, and this would be a cross section of that. So the red is the insulator and the green is the conductor. Okay, now one property of a conductor, and these are not just properties of a wire or just a conductor, because a lot of other materials also have these properties, but I'm only focusing on conductors here. So for resistance, we've already talked about this. A wire, it will impede an electron because there's no such thing as a perfect conductor. So all conductors have resistance. The second property, and I've already talked a little bit about this, would be capacitance. And if you don't know what a capacitance is, I recommend you look at my video. But a wire is capacitive because if this wire if current starts flowing in this wire, then the electrons rush in and we have all these negative charges. Now, if there's no current in this conductor, then these positive charges will fill in to reach these negative charges because they're attracted. And the dielectric is either the air between them, or vacuum, or this insulator, okay, or all of them. But the positive charges don't actually rush in because protons are really big and they don't do that. Now what happens is the protons are still there, but the electrons that were already here rush out because same like charges repel each other. Now the last property, and I've not talked about this yet, is called inductance. Alright, and this is the thing that happens when you make an electromagnet. You make an inductor, okay, and you induce an electromagnetic field around the conductor. Now, since we know conventional current is opposite of what electrons flow, then the current is flowing this way. And we have this thing that's called the right-hand rule, and if you were to hold the conductor, you put your thumb on the direction that the conventional current is flowing, and the way that your fingers curl is the direction that the electromagnetic field is going. So as you see here, this is the electromagnetic field around the conductor, and it is going in this direction, okay? This has been 3 basic properties of conductors.